Hello, welcome to the Team 3 SportsWiz database walkthrough and installation video. This is for SER322 Session A, Spring 2017. Team members consisted of Allison, Jacob, Justin, Devin, Evan, and Brian. Our database is a MERN stack, and it's MongoDB, Express, React, and Node. We used MySQL in place of MongoDB for a SQL database. Otherwise, it's the same. We chose to do a youth sports team management app. As you can see, we've got 5 different tables in the app, and the app is designed for someone who might be trying to manage a youth sports team, such as a soccer team or basketball or some other sport. Our database is hosted in a cloud server through freesql.com. You can access the database using either a local installation or through a website. We're going to go through the local installation first. In order to install and use our server, you will need to have Node.js installed on your system, so make sure you've downloaded and installed the latest release. After installation of Node, you'll need to extract our zip file. This is going to take a few minutes because you have a lot of files in there. We included the Node modules. Once you've finished extracting your zip file, you're going to want to open up a command line and then navigate to that page. Once you're in the folder where packages.json is located, you already have the modules, but just to be sure, you should run npm install, which will check the package.json file and ensure all the necessary modules are installed. Once that finishes, you'll need to run node server server.js. Now your server is up and listening on port 5000. So with the web server running, we can use any browser to navigate to localhost 5000. It's going to bring up our database here. These are the available tables. We have players, teams, leagues, games, and tournaments. We do have an open query window here, so you can use any SQL that you'd like to choose from one of those tables. Notice that the query shows up over here with highlighted syntax, and then it populates down here. The default to show on a page is 25. You can change that to 50 or more if you like. We also have some preset queries here. We can show teams. Notice the query changes, and all the teams are listed and the leagues they're in. We can show the different leagues that we have. These are all the teams with no losses. They're undefeated. We can show teams with a positive win-loss ratio. Shows their wins and their losses with the name of the team. We can show tournament winners. We can show tournament games. So from this tournament there was 3 games and 1 winner. In addition, we've set it up so you can search for players. So if we want to search for a player or position or team, we can type it in here. Here's our query. Returns a couple of players there. Or there's the team squalls. We can also do positions. Returns all the keepers. We also have a way to add to the table by typing in a player's name, their number, how many games they've played, and then choosing the team that they're going to be on. It shows insert complete, and now the information's been cleared from the input. Now if we search the J's, we'll close this so we can see our table easier. You now see that we have a Gavin Rogers who I just added. If you try to add something to the table and you haven't put information in, it's going to prompt you that you need to enter a name and a number. Now this is the localhost option. There is a way to navigate to our app through the internet using sportswiz.herokuapp.com, and it looks identical. It's the exact same interface as the local installation. They're both tapping into the cloud-based database, and they work the same. So to conclude, there are two ways to access our database. The database is hosted in the cloud, so you will need an internet connection. You can go to sportswiz.herokuapp.com to access it that way, or you can do the local setup and then choose localhost 5000 in your browser. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.